Good day, student. You're welcome to today's lecture. Today's class, we will be looking at the chapter 3 of our syllabus for the cost accounting, and the topic we'll be looking at is known as cost element. Is known as cost element or elements of cost. If you remember our discussion under the cost classifications in chapter 2, we looked at a particular classification known as classification by nature. So we're going to buttress that particular topic, which we will be discussing under the cost element. Now, according to nature, cost can be classified by nature. Cost can be classified into materials, labor, and overhead. Cost